Alright guys, welcome to the HackTheBox Season 3, all machines right up, step by step. So it's our first machine is analytics, and this is Linux easy machine. So let's get starting fastly. So we have just here our target IP addresses, then try to go on web server if they are working on 80 port. Then we got here is DNS or domain name is analytical.htp. So we have to be working with on to burp I think. So let me go target and turn on my burp and looking for something different. Okay. Is it like we have to be starting here? Maybe is map scan like that. So is it more looking for maybe FFUF? It's 4, just try to get here to another subdomain for it. So let me change it with corporate to analytical.htp, and our URL is working on analytical.htp. Is there something wrong? Yes. So it's giving us too many 302 data, so let me filter it at. Then we got here is data subdomain, so can we edit it on our etc host file? So let me go and add here also data.analytical.htp. okay, so what is say our mmap scan? It's us. So let me try it one more time, then looking for or not for it. So there is something new at or to contact us here to email. So let me give it here to the subject could be equal here XSS, but I don't think it's will available with it because it's easy machine. But let's try. No, there is nothing because it's redirect here to null. Could be looking more useful. Not here right now. That's nothing for us. Okay, let me go data.analytical.htp. Alright, so let me turn on my burp and looking for one more time. So we got here sign in Metbase. As it could be something about to auto login redirect is here. So let me looking for a Metbase. Exploit. So, is it about CVE 2 and 3 like that? Maybe it could be helpful. So yes, it's giving us here Python code, but let me looking at that. Okay. So we are just focused on it right now, as it could be about to API, I think. So it will be useful, but first of all with it, we can try at MSF console, right? So let me go MSF console. So if it's not be successful on MSF console, then we can try on to manually. So let me search here Metabase. Yes, it's call to Metabase setup token in remote code execution for to run as Excel. So let me try to use 0 looking for options. So set our host could be we have to be given here for our host, I think data.analytical.htp and set our port here could be important because it's not 3000. Yes, so we have to be change our port also is with AD. Okay, set lhouse is could be equal to 2 0, and anything. So let me try one more time. Options. So our target is data analytical.htp on AD port, and this is our IP addresses, right? Yes. And we are listening on 4444 port. Let me try to run. Yes, the target appears is vulnerable. Great. Alright, so command shell station 1 is opened right now. So let me call ID. Now we are metabases, we are in. So there is nothing to be changing about something and analyzing of the website. So right now we are in. So what we can do for it, I think we can try. Okay, it's about API. So if it's about API, can we try? No. Look at that. So what is called? So what we will do if we can use this Python code? It's token creating here. So alright. So let me try here. We use that because of CVE, and if it's about API, we can call environment, right? So let me try here, environment. Sure. What we got here for environment? Okay, so we found here meta password is analytics DC23, the hashtag here. So this is our password. Really? Yes, the password. So what about user? Could we user here? The username, it's Metalytics, right? Yes. So with this environment counts, it's called here. With this environment counts, we got here the username and password, Metalytics. Yes, this is our username and this is our password. So let me try it on SSH to Metalytics for this password. Let me try. Alright, so we are in, so we got here the user.txt. So let me try it here. Okay, it was easy. Yes, it was really easy. So now it's time to privilege escalation, right? So should we try cd documents analytical here? So what we can do here with the username is over there to SSH. So can we try sudo -l for password? let's use this for sure. Not running here. Okay. Is it could be about to cd? Let me go here, tmp. Then we are in Linda shell. So dips shell is also here. So what will we do? So it's about directory of documents for Docker. But let's try with limpis.shell. Okay. Um, hmm. So it's maybe about to kernel version for here to get to privilege escalation, I mean. So because there is nothing look like useful for us. So can we try about to its easy machine? We can look at kernel version, uname dash a. Yes, it's about it, what I talking about. So can we looking for is Ubuntu version. So let me go here. Ubuntu exploit, can we call it? Yes. Game overlay is Ubuntu escalation is over here, right? So what is that about it? Exploit-h is here for CVE. So can we just try? I mean, git clone here, cd cve is here, and Python listener I think will be here. So widget HTTP on our IP addresses thing will be fine on this port. And what's our call name is exploit.h, exploit.shell, chmod plus x exploit.shell, and try to be exploited it. ID. Now we are on UID and we are root right now. So can we try and read it? And okay. So that was really easy to foothold and root flag, I think. So let me give it as piece of cake because it was just about to hear to kernel version, and that was really easy, cool. Let me get my favorite machine. Thank you for watching this video.